I want to make a YouTube video for everybody who's ready to spend $700 on a new washing machine. Samsung Active Wash. It had a error 8C or BC. Need to put another shim in there. Anyway, I found out the cause is not the sensor. It's the wiring harness. And right on the corner behind where it bolts on the machine, oh, the wire gets cut because whoever designed it put it right around the corner and eventually it wears through. So 8C code wire wiring harness from these guys right here. Parts Doctor. For this particular model, it was a wiring harness assembly DC93 0579B. However, you can just put your washing machine in. It'll ask you for this number, the WA number. Type that in. Give you the wiring harness you need. Take it all apart, put a new wiring harness in it, and save yourself $700.